think we got it. I think we got it, Pavel. We got it. That's the best thing that's ever happened. Oh, you don't like those cages either, hey? That's what it needs. Another one. These cages shouldn't even be in production, right?
That's how you raise them.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Mean to this fucking bird.
Dude, I'm saying the bird is hostile, but there's no. I mean, the guy's smashing his fucking cage in front of him.
I think that was a fan.
You said fucking.
Oh, a fan?
I think that was a
Okay.
fan. He was
Good.
smashing the fan.
But still, it's like you're breaking shit around. You're stressing the bird out, and then you've taught him these words to express himself.